Hi there, just wanted to do a quick recording on how you can essentially save an army and bring that army to a game in Universal Battle 2. It's something that I picked up from the recent event that I attended, the Wish You Were Here Universal Battle Kings of War event that I attended last weekend. So what you first need to do is create a match. So I hit the plus button on the create a match again somewhere, and type in the name. Not going to use a password, and that will generate a blank screen. I'm going to go to full screen mode. I now pick the army. I'm just going to change my army to my Night Stalker army. Just going to set that as the default, so it's the army that I pick. And there we go. I put my army down, pick it like as normal. So this is just randomly picking some stuff so that we get something going. 2 units. Let's have 2 units of Reapers because they're always good. Let's have some Phantoms because I like them as well. Let's have Butcher's Regiment. There we go, Butcher's Horde, that do. And then some Mind Screeches. Let's have let's use Soul Flayers just for the hell of it. Obviously this would be according to your list. Where's my Shadow Hulk? Void Lurker, there you go, that too. So let's say that's my list. So I then want to change my army to my counters army and set that as my default. And let's say I want to get some counters out as well. One thing I noticed or was told was that when you deploy things like these counters, they are in fact positioned at the exact centre of the board. I didn't know that. Did you? So these are some wound counters. I'll just pick them up and put them at the side of the table. That's enough for now. Let's get some spell effects. Something trying to eat me here. Let's say we want some objectives as well, just for the hell of it. Put them there. And let's get some spells out. And effects. Let's have a Devastated. And let's put Disordered. And Wavered, why not? So you know, you'd obviously put counters that you needed, and then we then save them with this save button. So we want to save. Let's just save it and type in Night Stalker, I don't know, 1600 point army. Let's say that's the army that, and there you go. So that's that. So if we come out of this and let's say we were in a game, let's go and look for the standard Kings of War maps, the epic dwarf ones. Let's try 08. So standard map, let's load it up. And look, the terrain, so there's a standard map. Now what I want to do is pull in my army, so rather than go through this here and changing the army, blah blah blah, and you know, you'd have to go in and pick your Night Stalkers, set them as default, pick your army, place them. What you can do is load, using that button there, the Night Stalker army that you've just saved on that blank map. And what that does is it appends that blank map to the existing map, plus all your counters. Can you see here? It's added this all here, and you got your army out and your counters already. So what you can do is have your army saved in that blank map, essentially, with all your counters, load it onto your real map, and away you go. That's it. Hope that was helpful, and enjoy.